2 of us being here in Korea. And today I plan to go to Art Box in Gourdo. Kasi merong malaking Art Box dun. But now we will be having our lunch dun sa market. Our favorite cheap noodle place there. So let's go. So that was a hearty meal. Thanks, Chris. And now we're on the way to Art Box. Yay! We're riding the subway. Back to the mask life. So it's Chris shopping time.
Ito, we need?
No, but the big one we need.
This one, 40 pesos. 100 pieces.
Okay, get some.
How many?
So we're just buying some takeout food from the market. Because wala pa sila Tony. They are eating out. So bahala kami sa sarili namin. So we're back at home at Tony's house. And here's what we're having for dinner. Yan yung mga nabili namin from the market plus from the grocery. Masarap. Looks yum. And then we've got fruits, strawberries, persimmons, and pongkam. So I'm having mandu. And Max is here. Hi, Max! Hi, Max! Cute. Chicken.
Nice.
Mmm.
Yum.
And for dessert, we have strawberries. Laki. So anyway, it's been a long day. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I'll end the vlog now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!